Global Certification Solutions for Organizations of All Sizes, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello and welcome. In today's highly competitive global marketplace, organizations are expected to demonstrate quality, safety, environmental responsibility, information security, compliance, and operational excellence. Customers, regulators, investors, and stakeholders increasingly prefer organizations that operate according to internationally recognized standards. This is where certification plays a critical role. At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we help organizations build trust, improve performance, gain market access, and achieve international recognition through globally accepted certification and inspection services. Whether you are a small startup, a growing mid-sized company, or a large multinational organization, URGS provides professional certification solutions tailored to your business needs. In this video, we will explore why ISO certification is important, benefits of accredited certification, industries we serve, our certification services, global accreditation support, why organizations worldwide choose URGS. Let us begin. Understanding ISO certification. Many organizations ask a simple question: what is ISO certification and why it is important? See, ISO standards provide internationally recognized frameworks that help organizations establish effective management systems. These standards improve product quality, service delivery, customer satisfaction, risk management, regulatory compliance, business efficiency. ISO certification demonstrates that your organization follows internationally accepted best practices. It provides confidence to customers, regulators, suppliers, and business partners. In many industries, certification is no longer optional. It has become a key business requirement. Organizations seeking new customers, government contracts, exports, and international business opportunities often require accredited certification. Why certification matters today? The modern business environment is changing rapidly. Customers expect consistency, government require compliance, market demand transparency, investors look for reliable and sustainable organizations. Certification helps organizations improve credibility, increase customer confidence, meet regulatory requirements, reduce operational risks, enhance efficiency, strengthens internal controls, improve employee awareness, assess global markets, gain competitive advantage. Certification is not merely a certificate on the wall. Please keep this in mind. It is a strategic business tool that drives continual improvement and sustainable growth. Now about URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is committed to supporting organizations worldwide with professional certification, inspection, auditing, and training services. Our mission is simple: to help organizations achieve international recognition, business excellence through reliable conformity assessment services. We work with organizations across various sectors including manufacturing, engineering, automotive, food processing, healthcare, education, construction, information technology, logistics, energy, chemical industries, service organizations. Our team consists of experienced auditors, technical experts, trainers, and industry professionals dedicated to helping clients achieve their business objectives. Our certification services. URGS supports certification across a wide range of internationally recognized standards. Some of the most popular certifications include Quality Management, ISO 9001, the world's most recognized quality management standard. Helps organizations improve processes, customer satisfaction, and operational performance. Environmental Management, ISO 14001, supports environmental sustainability and compliance. Helps organizations reduce environmental impact and improve resource efficiency. Occupational Health and Safety, ISO 45001, protects employees and improves workplace safety performance. Information Security, ISO 27001, ensures protection of information assets and sensitive business data. Food Safety, ISO 22000, HACCP, FSSC 22000 supports food safety throughout the supply chain. Medical devices ISO 13485 essential for organizations involved in medical device manufacturing and distribution. Automotive industry IATF 16949 widely recognized automotive quality management standard. Energy management ISO 50001 improves energy efficiency and sustainability performance. Business continuity ISO 22301 ensures organizational resilience during disruptions and emergencies. Anti-bribery management ISO 37001 supports ethical business practices and anti-corruption controls, and many other industry-specific certification programs. Now, inspection and compliance services. Beyond certification, URGS also supports organizations through inspection and compliance services. Inspection services help organizations verify product quality, process compliance, supplier performance, safety requirements, technical specifications. Independent inspections provide confidence to customers and stakeholders while minimizing business risks. Organizations benefit from objective evaluation conducted by qualified professionals. Now, global recognition through international accreditation. One of the most important factors when selecting a certification provider is accreditation. Accreditation ensures competence, impartiality, and international acceptance. Through our global network of partner certification bodies, URGS supports certifications backed by internationally recognized accreditation systems from USA, Europe, Asia Pacific, Africa, Middle East. This global approach enables organizations to obtain certifications that are widely recognized across international markets. Whether your business serves local customers or global supply chains, accredited certification increases confidence and acceptance. For exporters and multinational organizations, international recognition can become a powerful business advantage. Now, benefits of working with URGS. Why do organizations choose URGS? Professional expertise. Our experienced auditors understand industry-specific requirements and business challenges. Customer-focused approach. We provide practical guidance throughout the certification process. Fast and efficient service. Timely audits and certification support help organizations achieve objectives without unnecessary delays. Global reach. We support organizations worldwide across multiple sectors and standards. Competitive solutions. Flexible certification programs suitable for organizations of all sizes. Training support. We offer awareness training, internal auditor training, lead auditor training, and competency development programs. Long-term partnership. We focus on continuous improvement and long-term client success. Our goal is not simply issuing certificates. Our goal is helping organizations strengthen their systems and achieve sustainable growth. Now, let us see certification journey with URGS. The certification process is straightforward. Step 1, application and initial discussion. Step 2, proposal and agreement. Step 3, documentation review. Step 4, stage 1 audit. Step 5, stage 2 certification audit. Step 6, certification discussion. Step 7, certificate issuance. Step 8, surveillance and control improvement. Throughout this journey, URGS provides professional support and guidance. In today's global economy, certification is more than compliance. It is a statement of commitment, a commitment to quality, a commitment to customers, a commitment to safety, a commitment to control improvement. Whether you are a startup seeking your first certification or a multinational organization expanding globally, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is ready to support your success. Together we can build trust, improve performance, strengthen compliance, and create new opportunities for growth. Thank you for watching. To learn more about certification, inspection, auditing, and training services, contact us today. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on ISO standards, compliance solutions, certification programs, and business excellence. Thank you and see you in your next video.